friends, welcome to math. Today we're going to do lesson 4.6. That means in your workbook you should be on page 211, 211. Today we're going to do a little bit of practice of counting, writing numbers, and then comparing the numbers. Comparing is looking at we're going to be looking at to see which one is greater than or which one is less than. So we're going to compare those numbers. Are you ready? Perfect. Let's get going. So first of all, you will see today's math lesson. I'm going to move you over just a little bit. Sorry. You're going to count, but things are not always in a perfect line or in a 10 frame. So here we have some rubber boots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 of them. So let's go ahead and trace that 6. Do you know what these yellow things are called? You look through them to see things that are far away. Have you ever heard of binoculars before? Binoculars? They're pretty cool. You should see if anybody at home has a pair. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8. So let's go ahead and make our 8. Now we need to compare these numbers. How many? So there's 6 boots and 8 binoculars. Which one is greater than? Which one has the greatest amount of items? If you said 8, you are right. Remember, greater than is the same as saying more. So which one has the most? 6 would have the least, and 8 would have the most. All right, that was just an introduction. Let's go ahead and go on to page 212. Go ahead and count these hats. We could count by 2s or we could count by 1s. 2, 4, 6, 8, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are in lines, so these are easier to count. So an 8, remember we make an S first and then cross the tracks. You have some cans of paint, lots of pretty colors, and they're in rows, but I'm still going to make a line when I count them to make sure I don't leave any out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A 1 and a 0 make 10. I want to know which set has more. Which one is greater? Is 8 greater or 10? Which one is the greatest? If you said 10, you are correct. 10 is more than 8. Let's count these. Are those pirates? Looks like pirates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slide and slant. And then these are called piñatas. Have you ever heard of a piñata before? It's a piñata. So let's count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Compare those two numbers and which one is greater than. Can you tell me? If you said 7, you are correct. Circle the number 7. And last but not least on this page, one of my favorites. I love baseball. Baseball gloves and baseballs. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Some of my friends might have noticed we could have counted in 2s also. 2, 4, 6. Over here we have some baseballs. They are in sets of 3. We could count by 3s. 3, 6, 9. But some of my friends still need to count 1 to 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's go ahead and put a 9. And let's compare both of those numbers, 6 and 9. Which one is greater? 9. 9 is the greatest number. It has the most. There are more baseballs than there are gloves. Okay, Great job, friends. You are getting the hang of this. On this page, we're going to start comparing and see which one has the least or the smallest number this time. So let's start by counting the guitars. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you remember how to write an 8? Make that S and cross the tracks. And then we have some more musical instruments. What are those? They are drums. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 drums. Slide and slant. So this time we don't want to know which one has the most. We want to know which one has the least. So which number is less, 8 or 7? 7 is less. Now, if you're having trouble, boys and girls, having a number line by you is sometimes very helpful. You can look at the number line to see which one comes first when you're counting. That would be the number that is less. Let's go ahead and count the red trucks next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slide and slant. We've got some vans or taxi cabs over here. They're in rows of 3. So my friends who remember how to count by threes, 3, 6, 9 or 3, 6, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, compare. Do you have less trucks or less vans? You have less trucks, 7. So circle that 7. Last one on this page, number 6. Let's go ahead and count this first thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And it looks like some toolboxes over here. Ooh, does this look like something you have seen before? What does it look like? It does. It looks like a 10 frame. Well, if I just drew that 10 frame, guess how many there are? If every box is full, there are 10. Now comparing those numbers, 10 and 9, which one is less? 9 is less. It is the smallest number. You are correct. Okay, friends, let's go on to the very last page. You're doing a great job comparing numbers. Our last page, 214. So sometimes we have what we call word problems, remember? And I will tell you information, and you have to be a really good listener to know what you need to take, what information you need to take from what I say. So let's look at number 7. I spy some birthday hats and some birthday presents. I think Megan bought hats and gifts for a party. How many hats did she buy? And how many gifts did she buy? We're going to write the number of objects for each set, and then we're going to compare them. So let's go ahead and start with the hats. We're going to cross out because they're not in an easy line to count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's go ahead and write that there are 8 hats. The presents, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 presents. Well, what do you know about 8 and 8? Is one number greater than the other? Is one number less than the other? What do you know? Did you know that what do we call that? Equal. They're equal. They are the same. If we were looking for a symbol, that's what the symbol would look like. 8 is equal to 8. It means they are the same. Very good. If you knew that, awesome. I want you to draw now to show me what you know about counting sets to 10 with the same number of objects. let's divide this in half. And on one side, let's put 5 counters. And we'll make the number 5. On the other side, let's make 5 counters again. And we'll make a 5. What do you know about 5 and 5 if we're comparing them? They are equal. I can erase that little line in between there. Let me try that, fix that real quick. They are equal. 5 is equal to 5. That means they have the same number of items. All right, friends, more of the same tonight for homework. The important thing for you to remember is in your homework, you will be circling a number. Ask mom or dad to help you figure out if it's asking for the number that is greater than or the number that is less than. You're going to circle a number. That's the important part to remember for tonight. And then the back side as well. You'll need a friend to help you read. I hope you have a great day and good luck with math.